Okay, as you can see, the 65 pounder is not hooked up at all to the rest of these. Okay, that's a 65 pounder and that's a 105 pounder. We're gonna connect them both here with the clutch. They're both connected. What we're going to do is see if this system can do 105 and 65 pounds without the clutches. Just this is going to be fully activated. Okay, we're going to activate this. Activate this and turn this on. You can see 170 pounds is way too much for this system. Way too much. Nothing else, just those two in this system kicked out without my system in place with the clutches. We're going to try it one more time with the without the just 105 pounders. We're going to take these off. We'll try it one more, see if she can do it. Click that back in. That's off. Okay, let's turn it back on and let's see where we go. Just this one, and it kicked out the motor. And again, you'll see that this hasn't been activated, and now this is going to be in the off switch. The motor cannot handle 105 pounds on its own. But yet with my system in place, I can do 270 pounds of flywheels with this same motor. So obviously, my system has been proven, it works. I can get them all going in unison, 270 pounds worth of flywheels.